Today I'm going to take my time and walk you through how you would actually use our tools on Domain Academy to find names that you could hand register today. A lot of people say that they wish they got into domain investing 20 years ago, but there's names that are great to find today if you keep your eye on trends and different things in the news. One of the places you can watch is Google Trends, where you can pay attention to what's selling on domain investing blogs, and you can watch the news in general or whatever's in your niche. New things are coming out all the time. So today we'll look at, AI, for example, and see what names might be available for us to register for a registration fee. So what we're going to do is we're going to use domainacademy.com/tools. We're going to get to our data manipulation tool, and I'm going to show you how you can grab good keywords. So I'm looking here at the 25 most expensive names in an article that GoDaddy's blog has. We're going to copy and paste those in, and then I'm going to go to the top 25 domain name sales of last year from Ron Jackson's DN Journal, and I'm going to go to name bio and just grab 100 .coms sorted by price, so I get the highest .coms that they have for sale. So now I've got a decent amount of names that I pasted in here, but there's a lot of other information. So this tool will not only clear out extra information, but if in those three lists there was similar names, it's going to take those and take away the duplicates. So I'm going to copy these to a clipboard, and if you follow the next video, we'll show you how to clean these up and start to look for names.